Hello everyone, this is your Maven of Mystery, and trying to situate myself. I have an unboxing, a surprise unboxing, because we got this from Lootwear, and we thought we had canceled. But I don't think they thought we canceled. So anyway, here we do. We have a nice little bag. Have no idea what's in it, but someone tried to find out. Look at this. This is the way it came. So I hope they didn't get anything out of it, because, oh well. So I'll just take my trusty little scissors and finish the job they started. Okay. Got their little Lootwear thingy. And I have a little Sanrio thingy. I don't know what it is. Looks like a little handbag or a case.
It's
what is it?
It's a mini trinket for your journey.
A mini trinket for my journey. Okay, guess I'm going somewhere. Woohoo! And a little twin stars by Sanrio. Ooh, look at, you're seeing it before me. Oh, how cute. And look, on the back, it has a little shooting star. Okay, I need to look at it. I showed you. Well, I think that is pretty adorable. And I will wear it. Not right now, because I'm in my jammies. But that is my Lootwear unboxing. All empty now.
You got Melody.
What?
You got Melody.
I apparently got Melody. I don't know if you can see this. Whoops. Isn't that cute? Okay. Well, hey, if you like my video, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. I'd love to hear from you if you got anything to comment. And I will be seeing you soon. Bye now.